very much looks like key ingredients to me, but they have not mentioned key ingredients, they have mentioned ingredients. Guys, this smells like a sweet, yellow colored sweet. You could see the consistency. It flows like water. And I could feel a light tingling sensation on my skin. And I remember reading it on their website that this serum might create a tingling sensation. My skin feels very smooth, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up and I took a shower and I got ready to do a video, to do a first impressions video on the Happy Herbs by Shrutika products. I just received the products. By this video goes live, you would have already seen the unboxing of the Happy Herbs by Shrutika products. So these are the two products that I ordered. One is the Skin Glow Enhancer Serum and the other one is the Turmeric Night Repair Cream. So these two are the products that I ordered and I received. So I'm going to do a first impression of these products. I have not opened this product and I have not used this product so far. This is the first time that I'm going to use. So this is the first time that I'm going to try this product out and to see how it feels on my oily skin. So to begin with, I'm gonna wash my face. I have water in this spray bottle, so it will be easy for me to do face wash videos in front of the camera. So this is just water in a fancy spray bottle. So I'm just gonna spritz this water on my face. So I'm going to wash my face with the Skin Science Himalayan Rose Foaming Face Wash. So this is the face wash that I'm currently using and I kind of love it because it has rose in it. I love roses, so this is what I'm currently using, and also this as a brush, guys. Oily skin people, this is summer and you should try this face wash. This brush is something that I really like. With or without makeup, this is doing a very good job in exfoliating. I even scrub my lips with it. It is not hard, it is not very harsh on the skin. The brush is made up of a silicone and it is very soft to use. So I'll go and wash my face with water and be back. So hi guys, I finished washing my face and you could see the difference already just by washing my face. Okay, so I finished washing my face and this is daytime and I'm going to use the Skin Glow Enhancer Serum. The other product that I bought is the Night Repair Cream. So I should be using this only during night time. So this is morning time and I'm going to use the Happy Herbs by Shrutika, the Skin Glow Enhancer Serum. For those of you who don't know what Happy Herbs is, what brand this is and all of that, do visit my previous video. I would highly suggest you to watch my previous video and then come back, because then you will have a continuity of watching. To be precise, Happy Herbs is a brand that is owned by Tamil actress Shrutika. So she has given a lot of interviews and done a lot of videos on the Happy Herbs products, and I was so fascinated by seeing those videos and I went ahead and bought these products. And I'm going to use this serum first. As I told you already while ordering, I told you guys that I don't know whether the serum is oil based or water based. Just by looking at the bottle, just by looking at the outside of the bottle, I could see this syrup is an oil based, but not very oily, not a thick oil. Thank God it is not a heavy oil. I'm not sure if this is going to work or how it's going to feel on my very oily skin. So this is the packaging. So the packaging comes in a classic serum kind of a bottle, brown colored bottle and a golden cap. I love the color of the label. The label is in purple, pinky, brown color and it looks very classy to me. The packaging reached me in a good condition. It did not break or it did not spill. Everything is in a very good condition. So this is the first time I'm going to open this product. I could smell some sweet fragrance already without even opening. So let me open this. This looks like a very lightweight oil. This is very thin in consistency. Guys, this smells like a sweet, yellow colored sweet. Some kesar kind of a sweet, guys. Definitely, if you sniff this, you will know what sweet that I'm talking about. I guess it is kesar peda.
எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் சோறு சோறு சோறுன்னு.
And it smells so much like the kesar flavor that you use during cooking. While making desserts, you add that extra fragrance, or you add that extra, what do you say? Extra flavoring substance. It smells exactly the same. I don't know if this is the real fragrance. Let me check the ingredients. The ingredients are turmeric, aloe vera, saffron, jasmine extracts, manjista and lotus. This pretty much looks like key ingredients to me, but they are not mentioned key ingredients, they are mentioned ingredients. And even before buying this, I asked them on Instagram to send me the full ingredient list, but they told me like they sent some link and they are telling buy these products, and they have sent a link of the product, and they did not answer to my query. I mean, like, they have a turmeric, aloe vera, saffron, jasmine extract, manjista and lotus, just 6 ingredients. But what base is this oil? Is it olive, or it is saffron essential oil, or it has almond oil in it? I don't know. What base is this? If they are going to mention just 6 ingredients in the ingredient list, they should have put key ingredients at least. They put ingredients and they just mention 6 of them. I don't know what base is this oil, but I like this oil. This is very lightweight. Just by seeing at it, I could really feel that this oil is going to be very lightweight. And also, they have not added any fragrance to it. So I don't know if they are mentioning it or not, or this is the full ingredients. I don't know about that, but as far as I could see on the label, they have not added any extra fragrance to it. So I believe this is the fragrance of the saffron kesar, and it smells exactly like the kesar peda. And it smells so yummy. It makes me hungry. Guys, it smells so delicious and so yummy. It smells very, very, very sweet, and it will make you hungry. I'm sure about that. Guys, as I told you, this is not very oily. It is an oil base, but it is a very lightweight oil. I'm kind of happy because it came in a lightweight oil base. If this is the real fragrance of the kesar, then hands down. But I'm not sure because ingredients list is not given. I mean, the full ingredient list is not given. What basis this oil is not given. So I don't know if this is the real fragrance or added fragrance, or if this is a real fragrance, perfect, top notch. So let me read the benefits for you guys. It says it works on pores, it gives an instant and evident glow, and it nourishes the skin. Let me read how to use. This secret red potion is an evening wear. 3 to 4 hours is sufficient to create an impact on your skin. Oh, this is supposed to be used during evening time? Oh, I don't know this. I thought this is a morning serum. This red, I've never come across a product that is supposed to be used during the evening time. I don't know, guys. This secret red potion, by the way, this is not red, this is yellow in color, like a golden haldi color. But they say it is a red potion. It's an evening wear. 3 to 4 hours is sufficient to create an impact on your skin. I believe what they mean from the sentence is that you could keep this serum for 3 to 4 hours. So it says wash face and towel dry. I did that. Take about 8 to 10 drops of the serum and apply all over your face for an instant and natural glow. I think 8 to 10 drops will be too much for my oily skin. If you have dry skin, if you have combination skin, you could use 8 to 10 drops. I don't know, but for my oily skin, I think 2 to 4 drops is more than enough. And it says the serum can be used with makeup too. When used with makeup, use as a base before applying foundation to get a beautiful glossy finish. Wash off before bedtime. So this is like an evening serum. I've never come across a serum that is supposed to be used only during the evening time, but this is morning. I'm gonna use this, and and this serum can sit on your skin for like 3 to 4 hours. That is what I believe. That is what I get from the how to use that they have written on the label. Guys, the team really should work on the description, how to use, benefits and all of that. Please watch my previous video and come back if you don't know what I'm talking about. Please watch my previous video. So it is manufactured on February 2021, and the MRP of the maximum retail price of the product is $826. And it is best before 24 months from the month of manufacture. So which is 2 years. I can use this till 2023. So let me apply this on my skin. I'm not gonna do 8 to 10 drops that will make my skin look greasier. I'm gonna first go with like 2 drops. You could see the consistency. It flows like water. I think 1 drop is enough. 1 drop is enough, guys, if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, you can go like 4 drops, I would say, but the packaging says 8 to 10 drops. So this is how my skin looks right now after first application of the product. And I could feel a light tingling sensation on my skin, and I remember reading it on their website that this serum might create a tingling sensation, and that is completely fine because it is made up of like herbal products and Ayurvedic and authentic, so it might create a slight tingling sensation. So yes, it does create a slight tingling sensation, especially on this area over here. I do not feel tingling sensation on my rest of my face, but I could feel it on my cheeks over here, especially where I got pores. So this is what it feels like. It got absorbed instantly. Like you don't have to religiously massage the oil, it will get absorbed. It got absorbed like this. It got absorbed instantly, and it is a lightweight oil. I could not feel any heaviness or greasiness. I could feel only the tingling sensation right now. I did not feel any heaviness or greasiness, and I could feel just 1 or 2 drops is enough if you have oily skin type. If you have dry skin type, go for more than 4 drops or as per your wish. And this is summer. I don't know how this is gonna withstand the summer heat. If it does, thumbs up, hands down. But let's see, I will do an updated video on this as well, and I will keep you guys updated on how the Happy Herbs by Srutika products will work on my oily skin type. Hey guys, I just finished my work and I am really tired. You could see that from my eyes, really tired, and I wanted to crush the bed as soon as possible. But we got to do our skincare. We got to do a night skincare routine. So that's why I'm here. And by the way guys, this serum that I applied this morning my skin feels very smooth, guys, especially this area where it was giving me tingling sensation. Now that skin feels very soft, and I did not feel oily at all, which is a yay. And my skin did not feel greasy or heavier or suffocating, especially. By the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. I am not getting paid by and I'm not getting paid by Srutika or Happy Herbs. I bought these products from my hard-earned money, so I'm really happy that I spend my money on wonderful products. So far, so good. So we'll move on to the next one, that is the Happy Herbs. Let me pick up the product and show it to you guys. I'm really tired. Moving on to the night routine, we have Happy Herbs Turmeric Night Repair Cream. It says it treats dark circles, dark spots, dark patches and pigmentation. treats acne and marks, works as an anti-aging cream, skin tightening cream, detans the skin. Because turmeric is very good for pigmentation, it treats dark circles and all of that. So this is what is exactly mentioned in the benefits. And let me read how to use this creamy concoction with the turmeric is a bedtime cream. Wash face, towel dry and apply evenly all over the face and neck, dabbing a little extra on stubborn marks and dark circles. Do not massage the cream, let it soak the entire night. This cream is not recommended for use during the day. Okay, so this is what it is mentioned as directions for use, and it is manufactured on February 2021 and it is priced at rupees 767. They are mentioned ingredients, they are not mentioned like key ingredients, they are mentioned ingredients, which means food ingredients. They are given turmeric extracts, saffron extract, jojoba oil, sandalwood oil, patchouli oil, vetiver oil, virgin coconut oil and glycerin. I believe that by seeing at the back of the tub, I believe this is a cream base, this is a cream, and they have not mentioned any cream base in the ingredient list. So this is what I do not like in a brand. Just mention key ingredients, and put the key ingredients of it. But don't put ingredients and don't just give just 6 or 7 of the ingredients. If you put ingredients, give the full ingredient list. So this is the negative that I found so far. And coming to the packaging of the product, it is made up of a plastic and the label is already coming off from this, which I'm pressing it again and again with my fingers. That's okay, that's perfectly fine. Not really worried about the packaging. The product inside is what going to really work. So the lid is of a golden color and there is a label says Happy Herbs by Shrutika, and when you open this there is a separator, there is a plastic separator. The color looks amazing and it smells so real, guys. It smells so real. I could smell turmeric in it, of course. Wow, strong smell of turmeric. If you are someone who do not like turmeric, I think you should skip this because it has that strong smell of turmeric in it. I love turmeric, so I think this is gonna work on me. And Happy Herbs team is doing a very good job when it comes to fragrances. I believe this is a real fragrance and very nice. I could smell this all day long. So first of all, I need to wash the face because it says you need to wash the face, and also I have my Happy Herbs serum applied before, so I will have to wash my face. So let me go rinse my face with water and be back. So guys, I have washed my face and I have towel dried it. So now let's move on to apply the Happy Herbs Turmeric Night Repair Cream. So I'm going to take a little bit at first. Wow guys, the color is so amazing. Again, this is not a heavyweight cream. It is lightweight and it gets absorbed really quickly. Let's see it on my face. I'm really applying a little bit. Yeah, little goes a long way. So what the directions for use says it like if you have dark spots or dark circles, you can apply a little extra on that area and go to sleep. You don't have to massage that area. You can directly go to sleep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit extra on my dark spots. So I've taken a little bit on my finger and I'm going to apply it on my dark spots. So this is where I have my dark spot and I have applied a little extra on the affected area, and I'm not going to massage it, I'm going to directly sleep on. That's it for this video. This is just a first impression. Again, I'm telling you, this is not a review video. I really can't tell you how this product will work and what it did for me. I could tell you what it did on my first impression. For review videos, I will have to test this product for 15 days or a month, and only then I can do a review video. So please do bear with that. And do subscribe to my channel to watch the review video. That's it guys, I'm really happy and I will do a review video very soon. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.